In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert, edit, and shorten links in Google Sheets so your spreadsheet looks clean and easy to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you want to add a link. Then, go to the top menu, click on Insert and choose Link. A small box will appear where you can paste your URL and also type the text you want people to see. Instead of a long messy link, you can write something simple like project file or website. Hit apply and your clean clickable link is ready. Now if you already have a long URL and want to shorten how it looks, just click on that cell once. You'll see a small edit icon appear. Click it and you can change the display text to something short and clear while keeping the same link in the background. Press apply and your sheet instantly looks more organized. You can also use a formula for this. Just type equals hyperlink. Then add your URL and the text you want to display inside quotes. Press enter and you'll get a neat clickable link with custom text. And that's it. Now you can turn long, messy URLs into clean, professional links that are easy to read and share. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.